Hi everyone, I am Samya from SS and T-Shans. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make this beautiful sticky notes holder. So let's get started.
Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again.
To make this, I'm taking this cardboards and blue colored paper. The cardboard size depends on your sticky note size. Try to take 2 cm bigger cardboard from your sticky notes. Now I'm sticking the cardboards with the colored paper. I have cutted the corners of the paper. Now I'm sticking the cutted papers with the cardboard like this. And now I'm covering the inside of the cardboard with a dark blue colored paper. Here you can go for any colored paper. When I was making it, I thought that it's not looking so good. For that, I'm decorating it with some pattern papers. And now I'm sticking the sticky notes with the base and it's ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you so, please give us a big thumbs up. How was the video? Comment below. And please subscribe the channel. It means a lot for us. No more today. Thanks for watching.